Are you planning to go to North Macedonia for work or education, or to achieve your commercial goals? Such an exciting opportunity. Going to North Macedonia can be complicated because there is a process of getting the apostille of the correct documents before you are allowed to go. It is also a crucial process. If you want to export your goods or establish a business in North Macedonia, the apostille is an essential part of the documentation for North Macedonia. This process will certify the legality of your certificates and yourself for business or work or stay in North Macedonia country. It's oblivious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of apostille procedure for North Macedonia, regarding what is apostille for North Macedonia, when and why apostille is required for North Macedonia. Is your presence required to get the apostille of the documents? Whether you will need apostille or attestation, with or without translation? What is apostille for North Macedonia?
The document for use in North Macedonia, the Ministry of External Affairs must legalize it. It is a sticker stamp of square shape which itself is a printed form consisting of 11 standard fields. It is a unique and special stamp, called an apostille.
When and why apostille is required for North Macedonia?
The apostille stamp required for a work visa, student visa, residence visa or business purpose. It shows that you are a genuine person or company who is visiting North Macedonia or doing business in North Macedonia with genuine purpose. It proves that your certificate is true, which can be permitted in North Macedonia. Apostille attestation is a report which expresses a conclusion about the reliability of a specified document.
How long does the apostille process take time for North Macedonia?
Apostille process is a multi-step process. It has to be verified by many different authorities such as the Home Ministry or HRD. The MEA can finally apostille the document. So it takes 7 to 8 working days, and the time period depends upon the type of documents and issued place. Although there are several ways to finish process on a fast track, contact to Excellent Apostille Services. One stop of legalization solutions.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The apostille stamp can be printed exclusively on original certificates. So, the certificate should be in an apparent better position. All signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain unusual marking. Original documents which you require apostille as supporting for the personal or educational documents. Required civil ID copy, such as passport copy or driving license copy, etc. As supporting for business documents, required company covering letter which should favor to the Ministry of External Affairs. The certificates are divided into 3 types: educational certificates, personal documents, commercial documents. All the earlier mentioned 3 kinds of documents could be legalized from the Ministry of External Affairs. To reach the final apostille stamp, the document has to pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized department, which depends upon the kind of documents. Educational Certificate Apostille Procedure for North Macedonia. Step 1. Notary attestation, or verification stamp from university. Step 2. Attestation from HRD department, or Home Department, or SDM. Step 3. Final attestation from the Ministry of External Affairs, MEA India. Personal documents apostille procedure for North Macedonia. Step 1. Notary attestation. Step 2. Attestation from Home Department, or SDM. Step 3. Final attestation from the Ministry of External Affairs, MEA India. Commercial Documents Apostille Procedure for North Macedonia. Step 1. Notary Attestation. Step 2. Attestation from Chamber of Commerce. Step 3. Final attestation from the Ministry of External Affairs. MEA India.
Since this process involves your original documents, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services guarantees the highest reliability and quality and provide end-to-end services of apostille or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the apostille process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services. Free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support. Guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All-in-one hassle-free document apostille, attestation and translation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to travel, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. Our service in this industry for many years, and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete attestation needs.